Hello viewers, I am Smita. Welcome to Karnataka kitchen. Today I am going to show you the preparation of Boodukumbalakayi Majjige Huli, that is Gourd Buttermilk Sambar. Gourd is a low calorie vegetable. It is rich in vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. Majjige Huli is a popular dish of Karnataka. Now let us look at the ingredients. For making Majjige Huli, that is buttermilk sambar, I have taken 1 bowl of white pumpkin, that is ash gourd, little curry leaves and little turmeric powder. Keep a vessel on stove and add ash gourd, curry leaves, turmeric powder and 2 glasses of water. Mix, cover and cook the ash gourd. For grinding, I have taken half bowl of grated coconut, 2 tablespoons of chana dal soaked in water for half an hour, 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 5 green chilies, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves. Into the mixie jar, add grated coconut, soaked chana dal, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, green chilies, ginger, coriander leaves and grind into a smooth paste and keep aside. For making Majjige Huli, I have taken half bowl of curd. Churn nicely so that no lumps are formed when you add this to Majjige Huli. Add little water, mix and keep aside. Let us check the vegetable. Ash gourd is well cooked. Now add masala paste and mix. Add churned curd and mix well. Now add water to adjust the consistency. Add salt. Add little coriander leaves and curry leaves and allow it to boil for 10 minutes on medium flame. Keep stirring in between. Now let us do a tempering for this. Keep a pan on stove and add 2 teaspoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and little hing, 2 red chilies cut into pieces, little curry leaves and give it a mix. Now add the tempering to Majjige Huli. This is ready. Now transfer this into your bowl. Boodukumbalakayi Majjige Huli is ready to serve. This can be enjoyed with steamed rice. Thank you for watching my video.